3 attempts, 4 attempts, and 5 attempts to make the perfect slug for my IntruBuster Gen 2. So the 4th attempt is not bad, but see, is going inside of the mark, but I think we must make it little shorter. See, it's going inside, but you see it's a little stuck. Just need now I printed here was 14.4, now I make it 14.3, so I think will fit perfect. Then I will go to shoot. I would like to use my marker, yes, only with slugs, because can shoot shaped projectiles. I would like to make the perfect projectiles, and I don't want to use rubber balls. I will try if this gun can work without jumps with my slugs. Will be perfect, and if it work, I will put the file on Thingiverse absolutely free. This one is about 10 grams. So the another one finish here. Have some things for the printer. So let's try it to see. I clean it little. See, it's okay. So let's take. So I will put inside the steel ball. So I will put inside of the magazine now. So I put it inside. I use my one hand. Bah. So let's go. Not stuck. See? I don't know if it will jump inside of the gun. I must to print another 5 of them, and I will test them. So let's see also the bore match. This is also very important. So the barrel, standard barrel, look. See, I can make it little more tight, but no need. It's okay. It's much more. See? See? Perfect. Hello, I'm trying to make slugs, especially for the IntruBuster Gen 2. This is the 5 attempt I hope will work. It's almost 10 grams. I'm printing 6 there. So I make them, but the temperature and the retraction must be the problem. No problem anyway. It's they fit okay. Also, I have it in my hand and I drop some silicone drops on them. So I will put them inside of the magazine. Is this spot from the printing? The TPU make that things. Is the temperature? It's a before I put them inside without silicone oil, didn't have problem. No, it's okay. Let's put them again. This is going well. I print them again, but with another settings. But I would like to try them. You see, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Let's put them again. You see, it's stuck because is that things from the printing. This is common problems with TPU material. See, it's stuck. It's not the problem there, the slug. It's because of that things here. So we put them and let's see if we have a jam or not. This is first try the gun. Let's gas up. Okay. The magazine didn't lock. So let's shoot them. Just I stopped the video to clean the camera. So I hope will work. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's stuck after shoot alone. So the slugs works fine. Just is this defect from the printing the problem? Okay, that's it. I will include the file on the Thingiverse. You can download it. You will need 12.5 millimeter steel balls. I think they are fine. Okay, cannot be 100% perfect, but you see, can work if the printer to correct. They are fine, I believe. The file anyway will be free, no charge. If you like to download it, download it. Thank you for watching.